Ebusia for BYT Sports TV so bright ebo atele TV ni atrase a ye de ensem ebra we no ye be wura ha asaso ye be wura kotokwa so ye na ye de exclusives enso etimi e de abroad ya no so be subscribe ya mame ni abroad channel together me pa cha de omni mo amope te platform na join no WhatsApp mo 0241 960066 0241960066. Oh yeah, also please, I want to join the group. Quarantentem, chatting me hi, please, I want to join the group. And mommy, good morning. I'm so much. I'll say, how are you? Macau. What do you born fast? Why? Na me add fast. Na yam nim. Na aso focus in some more protocol. Mede videos you be mount. And the audience over train. Nemo Samates akofa goalkeeper the Benjamin Sabiakwa Sunyan boy okaya a product of a year young apostles or da wafa okoda kotoku royals and na owo ko insu atreman na boy na has of focus so pensa Benjamin so kwade a ene em se yesu enya we beye yi pa say Daniel Afazu mo ensem wo de a omunya no a omope Nemum Sabi Ferdinand and Suna were one of the goalkeepers. Omo de monso so ani apart from Wafa ne adia. Na eno ana has eboram no na Samates why ready dada. As am look say boy na kopie mo sama boy awie medical sa. Ebia free na ko bia no ombe ananso boy no so ono so aba be kan wo mo Benjamin Sabiakwa koka Kofi Ban ho koka Yafta avenue 7 ho na wakwa koka goalkeeper Shaibu Isa eni Musa enso ehwo ewo na so ma be 5 ntibinim se ida se Musa ana se Yafta kra de last year no mo fa the Nations FC na mo Kofi Ban ene ye experienced goalkeeper wono so ewo ho no ma Shaibu Isa so enya form pa small boy na 17 boy or did that ban anymore nemo boy no enya Johnny Samates ho na ewo Asante Kotoko no media sembe ba nemo ha so folk so say boy and the Godfrey Boache ha so folk mpanyimfo assistant coach any papa ni din ede Vincent so do temo ese omo behwe na boy no omakosia togbe na omaka bibie wo bia na has boy no I friend say Godfrey Boache I friend say Paul Scholes Vision FC last game against Kotoko no omani wo yi pa manyaka magika cho say enyo omonko ase siam no ka say bibia ni Gold Stars enso agba wurama mu hia branch nti out of folk yes and also me facts na eni matimi kwoti has say boy no ne manager UK base demo obehwe na omahia na boy no enso abaye has of folk dia after Sunday our born match ewie Patrick Razak training no he say has fire convince okaya the third time near oba has medical aka no once match abo friendly match na Razak issue no the only said training match omo ene shatter force boy no ball or boy intino ama omo nyina convince say Razak be medicals na omo hwe na pomudin wonsem na afi omo ama no contract enso e will house of folk for the very third time obeka okosi aka na makofodua sushen na eno Kofodua sushen kwam to mo second division last year omo hwe nti boy no Eastern region ho ba bi kosi akan enso e de mo na mo abo Royal Athletic nyina pen a wo ye Tamale Utrecht to house of folk to kwa osaba as biem e no sa kwa ni ade say Patrick Razak say Uromophobia no aba beto so Emmanuel support so deal no the omni say house of folk officially omo the bid ebeko brekum church omo the boy the personal terms there bibia is on costa omo etimi awie bibia diaka ene say brekum church for any house of folk ebe wie na bibia so etimaye kama enso house the bid no ebeko isa kind of 1 year contract okay last first one there nanka or you free and sa nemo boy ni extending the contract no nti aka 1 season a obebody ama brekum Chelsea nemo all sign on Chelsea for a year agreement to say any other club be bia na offer no say the tie bia no mu ja no na onko eno closer e say a branch and contract ewo brekum Chelsea nsem na no mame tinsi Kotoko na me ntoaso na house of folk nsem aka no me de be bro maso kola du ho asem e say ye brubujaba maso betena maso be ba has watare ko ama meeting bia koso na ncham ne namframama na aso folk mpanyimfo de regular release rebata keka say amanfo kana trending news no mo ba Twitter and Facebook no mo post here without official letterhead from the club release ankasa nemo we no na tweet o mo de catch na mansan say enya no correct da say house ne masoko na du awie nemo insider mayem hwes pase omo din komo enye successful nti no de omo kan sa good nemo nkomode bia nim na kono mo aye meetings no de omo ni say nsema ba say watara ebetima technical director na say papa no antiase a omo betima sum na na kona masoko na du abeto aso ha nti masol nya nwie nti omo di kan ye no kore ha se masoko na du nwie nemo masoko na du ba no Majane tesa players bi omo contract ewu Masol recommend say omo sign players omo extend contracts no na oba de a wo hia omo ni nyina ye nsem a eba nti me de won asem eba me de who latest eso bebro na mom ewo Asante Kotoko aso Brekum Chelsea who say Chelsea players na eba hi ba jewu so aba na Zakaria Fuseni nso ho asem no de omo say bia after league game omo ebo against Mediama no Zakaria Fuseni ba be piem Kumasi abe ni medicals Jemetin kodo ko huni say Africa ne ben enti so omo hye golden kicks nyame adoma Kwasi Ada na wotwe a omo kwa no ti no two ways about matrema kwesa anyi bia pa ti omo wie hibajew your friend say Kamavinga bon says David Niesamo ebo ni bi Niesta mo control pass pia ko take pa tina Kentampo FC to go so Kenya Unity FC they say am say omo dey call Doma chabe Doma Unity FC to Nkranza Warriors and so akọ Brekum friend say Brekum City and what they call Brekum Chelsea Bobokunu na latest one say a branch of Akoso friend Vincent Kulu Aje boy ni shooting ball bo papa fa ball ba Vincent Kulu Aje na latest a ba na say Kotoko pushi say nkomo press a branch na beka Kamavinga ho omo pena bra beka a branch ya din ede hibajawu na ga oma combine ho dinga chire no has Brekum Chelsea former players na Anke two by Rodamwa, formerly of Brekum Chelsea from Benap to Brekum Chelsea to Kotoko. Nanka Patrick Essie do about 3 to na 4 no and 5 na ye. Henry Ensu, formerly of Brekum Chelsea, ni Zakaria Fuseni, formerly of Brekum Chelsea. Because I back 4 na goalkeeper and down machino. Enyina by former Brekum Chelsea players. It can be from many Brekum Chelsea mienu problem. Ni nyina answer Vincent Kulu Aje ba abranti afan say we bajawu on the other side 4 years that am e wo hobby enti na 6 ebeto Chelsea nkwa 6 Chelsea nkwa eno no mebo Kulu Aje dia no Chelsea force yan kan che Kotoko say onya for sale boy ne ye odoma koma so pa na de omni say ometima aboa Kotoko aye loan deal. It's very latest amde ma and cancel loan deal loan and omde ma not even Kotoko any other club a domestic boy na there am say I'm not building for something Brekum Chelsea say omde Kotoko ye deals name of Kulu Aje Vincent Medford and boy na there or ya attacking e omunya nton a loan dia one season omde ma mo de mo fa kwa Africa se mo si Africa na mo de kwa mo de mo magibi mo nko but mo wie ya ma de we enti kora ko hu say Africa na obe shako na mo ma di nyanka kromia be hu ka dito o bo mo de na mo ni vision match no hwe ni na visioners for na ni abre o mo ye o ye o mo target the only woman said this season Vision FC anya 8 wins at home and draw 7 na 8 no 24.7 here 7 what can 31 points or more points or manya away or more winning away no just 2 matches 6 and on draw bi kaboma double 11 points bi o de ko kan ho a na o ma 38 omo points o ma amasi nyina 31 32 42 aha omo points o ma amasi nyina ye akom the only team I was omo ofie e Dreams FC enti kotokom ntie nie na me de interviews wa coach ani dia de eye Nana Ajeman aye na me the interviewer omu defender small boy 17-year-old boy 2008 January born Yiman was senya aye ene ede ban mo shaman adawro mama menchia no mama mbona baso ono adawro na oye interviews ne nra wo ni kraku park wo ewo eye tema nra na ensema omu kan se omu be shakotoko nti me de obi ade be ma video na watie pain pace pain kalkum ha no agire koku anum na asama ewom ni se omu awene age home a draw 7 in Nations FC Lagos Cities Brekum Chelsea akobo draw ho Heart of Lions nya draw ho House of Oak nya draw ho a few clubs and a akobo draw okromo Ama wini 8 ama lose 1 pe afi wey say bia ama nhia fi ankomko this is ama lose 1 pe ofie no omo ene eye bibia ni Gold Stars na Young Apostles so I don't know maybe ama share omnam say so ma say lose dia but 2-3 clubs pe na lose mienu back up say e wo home Karela and a cost of bibia ni Gold Stars nti e ban home visibility na boys ni eye eni abrinti Ali Muhammad mo se yanka ne Yimano senya mo se yanka nkere kotoko strikers ne se omatum na mom American fa player ne de ma na me fa coach ni ma player ne de ne Yimano senya e defender or right back de ma eye bobuku no se kotokofo any point ho na game no ko ma win first half etie ko the full interview a mo shaba ne boy ne ye na yen sambra bim se Kotoko bano or supporters or support both teams say omon brantem they mum kotoko first half obe wi no say obe bi twa kotoko no mu so kotoko strikers omo so equally good defenders on be match omo boot for boot omo wi so omo ko mo no mo amunim omo be hye na bibia akoso ntiyentie abrante Yimano senya we defender Edema Vision FC
only lost 1 game at home against Dreams FC. You are playing your 17th game this weekend against Kotoko. Are you going to maintain that record?
Yeah, sure. We are going to maintain that record for losing only 1 game at home. Yeah, sure. We maintain the same record.
Against Kotoko, it will be a difficult one. In their last 5 league games, they are unbeaten. Difficult one for you?
No, it's not a difficult game for us. Every game is the same as we play. It's the same as they are like the other teams that we play. So it will not be difficult for us. We just do what we have been doing always and try to win it. Yeah.
Well, they have some good strikers. Bet Amo has been scoring. Is their top scorer. Kwame Puku has been scoring. He's back from the national team. Saka Dauda has been on top form. Peter Miduakwa as well. How are you going to defend against these players who are very pacey and skillful?
Oh, we have experienced defenders like Ali Muhammad and Lord, and we will defend against them as we usually do against other teams. And they are not special. We are the same players, so we will defend against them. Yeah.
What will be your message to your fans on Sunday ahead of the big clash?
I'll tell them to come in their numbers as they always do and support us and expect a massive win from us.
A massive win against Kotoko. That's your promise to Vision FC fans.
That's my promise to them.
It means that they have to come to Tema.
Yes, they have to come in their numbers and they have to come early as possible. Right. Winning the game in the first half.
The game with the ahead of the big clash.
I'll tell them to come in their numbers as they always do and support us and expect a massive win from us.
A massive win against Kotoko. That's your promise to Vision FC fans.
That's my promise to them.
It means that they have to come to Tema.
Yes, they have to come in their numbers and they have to come early as possible. Winning the game in the first half.
The game will finish in the first half.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
Yimano senya ena yete ne nka no nemom coach Adidiade Nana Ajeman so akasa na asema Nana ka ne se Asante Kotoko omo respect omo pa once you omo so omo fan ko ba bia mo petofo bi abo nemo the omni say kotokore so omo 4-1 okumase enu agi no omo she dreams su bi ke bi kwa kotokokora ya ade ayetu ne afiwe na omo no omo fa ni agro omo ebe stretch kotoko no ma punish kotoko nti encha na nya revenge woni trim gidigidi Karim de to ni nipa wa see match or respecting no senior brother dem sa match na e ba de omo Kwame Poku abeta mo Saka Dauda ne abrante ne dia de Peter Amidu akwama omo ntena Kumase na nye ho nti asam na e ba no ono na ka yo ti o se omo be se kotoko nyame adoma osiada eti enkotie coach edema Vision FC na Najman na ene nsem a oka concerning kotoko game a ombebo nyame adoma kosiada last league game for the season name kotoko de be kan one game a eno FA Cup ono so be kan season no either so be ko trophies and so be league and say FA Cup we go yan win na wa hwe na chi name FA Cup no de one game win akotoko be hia nti ye kwatie Vision FC coach ene asem a wo ka dia fa nyame adoma Sunday a game no.
For us at Kraku Stadium, we don't compromise our shape. We don't compromise our tactics. We don't compromise the winning mentality. So as much as it's Kotoko, I mean, Hearts Bofok will be the first to attest that we don't sit back and defend at Kraku. We attack. So we're going to attack Kotoko. It's a place that we feel very comfortable. We have the 12th man right behind us. Our fans are there. This is a game that I know a lot of people wants to come and watch. So my boys are ready to give a good account of themselves. We're going to attack Kotoko as much as we can. We're going to try to score some goals. We're going to try not to concede, and we're going to try to pick up the 3 points.
Well, you spoke about not conceding, but you look at Kotoko attack, Kwame Poku, Abet Saka Dauda, Peter Amidu. These are players that are very fast against their opponent.
Yeah, I mean, you can talk of names. You know, for me, names doesn't really play football for me. It's discipline, it's consistency, it's what happens on that day. You know, I mean, we've also got Sanja, we've got Ali, Lord, we've got Labran, we've got Ajingo. I mean, we've got players, Boache, Kusi, we've got players that are willing to put in the job to make sure they stop the likes of Kwampuku and all of that. But for me, football is also not about individuals. I don't think I ever went to Kumasi thinking, oh, Kwampuku is there, so, you know, I have to be careful. No, I don't. It's a teamwork, and the whole 11 on the field, including those on the bench, they have their own jobs. Me as a coach, I have my job. So I'm thinking about Kotoko as a team, not Kwampuku as an individual.
You considered a lot in the first round against Kotoko. Are you going to respond at Niaje Kwiku the second?
Most definitely. Most definitely. I wouldn't even use the word revenge. It's another game. I don't think that, you know, the points will put us into top 4. That it's not going to do anything. But there's something called records, and we are willing to beat Kotoko. Let it go on record that, you know, Vision in their first debut season, they beat Kotoko in their on their own home grounds. It's something that my boys need going forward. They need that confidence. They need to know that Kotoko is also another team. You know, it's not a superficial team. They play with 11 players. Like I said before the first game, the people that actually made Kotoko, Frimpong Manso and the likes, they're all done. Now the players that are playing Kotoko are the same players or the same kind of players that are playing Vision. So, like I said, I don't deal with individuals. I deal with a team. I deal with tactics. I deal with performance on that day. And I think that day, the sun is going to shine and it's going to be on Vision Football Club.
5 games for Abdul Karim Zito unbeaten. Away games, 2 matches against Hearts 0-0. Against Gold Star 0-0, and MTN FA Cup game against Bekum Chelsea, they go TNA Stadium, they won by a goal to nil. They are very good away side under their new head coach. I'm sure it's going to be very difficult for him.
I mean, Zito is somebody that I respect. He's actually a loving bigger brother of mine. I respect him. He gives me respect as well. He knows me. I know him very well. It's very unfortunate that he's coaching Kotoko and I am coaching Vision. It's not. It doesn't feel good to compete against him. But you know, when the job demands it, you compete against each other. So of course, I'm going to compete against Karim Zito. But we're playing Kotoko. That day, I think that yes, it's going to be difficult because tactically he's very astute. A very old coach that has been in the Ghana Premier League for a very long time, knows the terrain, knows what to do, knows how to counter very well, knows when to hold on to possession. Like I said, somebody that I respect extremely, extremely well. So that day, yes, it's going to be difficult. but I don't think that we cannot surmount. It's something that Kotoko is beatable. The other teams have shown it in the Ghana Premier League. They've lost games at Kumasi, they've lost games away. So I think that coming to Tema, where we are also very good and we are also very comfortable, I think that the onus lies on Kotoko to beat Vision.
The last question. Are you going to end Kotoko's unbeaten run under Abdulkarim Zito?
Well, we're not aiming for that. We just want to beat Kotoko. So Karim Zito is one person. He's an individual. He's going to play his tactical plan that day. But we are just aiming to beat Kotoko. So not so much of ending his unbeaten run, but so much of beating Kotoko back in Tema.
All right. So on Sunday at the Nia Jekwiku the second, you have to be there. It is Vision FC versus Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Abusafo BYT Sports TV suni Vision FC coach suni etene kano already Katimano senior defender edema Vision so kan ani edemu si nyame adom be se hia biem exclusive ene ede bro ya de be bro nyame adom ne ya na bibia so akoso. Don't forget to subscribe them yam be channel together found messages and so brand yen kan fama de ususu se yenye production found ubetimi de nyina so abana ya chene kama nyame adom be se hia kram.